Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a cool little feature in Logic where you can directly import loops into Logic and immediately start creating slices. By creating slices, you can create various melodies, your own chord patterns, and even grooves. So to begin with, let's start dragging this loop into this region here, and then make sure you select Quick Sampler Optimized, and here make sure you select Slice. As you can see, Logic has already created various marker points, but to have better control you can go to Mode and then go to Manual Mode and then place in your own markers at various transients. Or you can also go to Transient plus Node and then bring down the sensitivity slider and then make sure you have the markers at all the transient points. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going down to Pitch, and then I'm just going to decrease this pitch by around -8 semitones. Now let's start creating a basic chord progression out of these slices we just created. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, please do consider giving it a like and sharing with your friends. And if you're visiting the channel for the first time, do consider subscribing. I'll see you soon on another new video. Bye.